What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and this is the 11th episode and final video of the Tailgate Alaska Festival. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get into it. Welcome to Truckhouse Live, baby.
Alright, morning y'all. Going on.
You have that harness thing borrowed from
Oh yeah, look
the carabiner within the pressing.
We're ready to go. We're heading up into the glaciers. Let's go. Unfortunately, the Lynx is having some check engine problems. Exhaust temperature sensors going off, so I'm taking the 600 Polaris today. Yeah, those look sweet, right?
Like, I wanted to do those yesterday, but I didn't want to do it solo.
Yeah, totally.
I was standing right on top of it though.
Yeah, they look great. Is this a sled lap? I think that's how you get to the sled lap. See, like up there? You go up there, then on the other side you drop in. We're here, made it to the goods. Yeah. That's the sled lap.
What?
Yep. That's I skied out with Greg. That's like the most scared I've ever been in my life. That's like the first steep thing I ever skied. Here on top of the world. You can see the highway right out there to Valdez. We're gonna get a hippie pal lap in because it's fun. Rusty. You remember how to get back?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it's pretty straightforward.
Follow the tracks.
Yep.
If I get lost, I'll figure it out.
Yeah, we might try to go back the, you can get all the way down to the road, but you're like way down the valley a good bit.
Oh,
And I don't know if you can ride beside the road back up, you know?
Yeah.
Can have a gamble. A good rallying with you, man.
Yeah.
You made it out.
Glad we got to ride finally out here. I guess I'll go say goodbye to those other guys and then I'll take off.
Yeah, I guess when we get back, if your truck's still there, then we'll come looking for you.
Yeah. I got my inReach.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I've got mine on me too.
All right, guys.
All right, man.
Easy.
Yeah. Holy Manjaba. All right. Summit. I haven't been talking very much. We're all totally exhausted. We stayed up till like 5 o'clock in the morning. It's a big party at the tailgate. Today is the last day and then we're heading back. Man, I'm so tired. I'm just realizing it. How are you feeling?
Same.
Like you could literally sleep like right now? 5:30 was a bad idea. That was too late.
5:30 is too late?
Yeah, I was.
Oh, you mean last night?
Oh yeah. And we were up at, I think I kind of woke up at like 8. I think you knocked at the door at 9. Oh, nice. You guys trencher?
We got a little stuck.
Yeah.
We're going to go back up and we're going to drop those 2 lines that the goats were...
Oh, so you guys know who Steve took off to? He probably told you guys.
Yeah, we saw him.
Yeah, we saw 'em.
It's almost easier if you stay out of the traction and just freaking go up the fall line wherever too, you know? Like, yeah!
Yeah, I just had to stop being a little pansy and like
Oh, yeah.
turn. I was trying to counter steer everything. No, powder turn, obviously.
Hey, no, you're good.
Yeah.
That was sweet. I wanted to get you potatoing on the camera really quick. Oh, there's tracks going out mile 19 over there too. That's a party ski too. Like
Is
all.
that the loop we were talking about?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We could try it. You could actually ski. We could like party ski the loop down there.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's
Okay.
rip this steep line.
I'm gonna go around and drone you guys.
Sick, dude. Yeah, we should drop at the same time. That'd be so cool.
Yeah. thought, why not? It's what we call ghost riding. I know it's kind of funny watching your snow machine just drive itself away. A little bit of evening drama.
Mayhem, disaster, and destruction.
That's right.
Resetting your track for you.
Hey, this whole front end slipped off. Jesus. You're gonna have to pull a ski up. I'm gonna slide off and get the ski up.
You want to do it like we were doing before?
You want to pull this whole front end up really quick? Oh.
1, 2, 3.
Get one more time.
1, 2, 3.
All right, here we go. Just go!
What's your problem?
What's that?
Now you get out the wing and we fly back.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, perfect.
Maybe we should just call a heli to get us out of here. It's good backing practice. We're getting there. We're almost there. Getting there. This is a really good backing practice.
I did not break my scratcher.
What?
That much backing.
No way.
Very ISO.
Oh my God. You know what? This is the part I wasn't too sure about. This like little stretch. We'll get it though. We're just gonna get across the street.
Dude, good jangle fest every once in a while builds character, bro.
Oh, it totally does. Yeah, I think if we're just like in like the kind of that low ditch, we can just ditch bang all the way up. We came from way up in the mountains and the glacier's up there, and we're trying to find a new way to get back up to Thompson Pass. I'm sure it's not new, it gets done all the time. But yeah, we're trying to figure out a way to get up there instead of going all the way back out the same way. Oh, M's on the other side. Hope we can figure out how to get over. Oh, hey there.
Thanks for taking that path.
Yeah, no worries.
Time to go bang some ditches.
Yeah, dude, ditch bang central. Let this dude go by, I guess. Full circle adventure. By God, we're getting home.
Can't believe we're just like screaming around on glaciers.
Yeah.
Is it ever like, are people ever worried about crevasses at tailgate, like the low snow year?
Oh, yeah, for sure. I mean, you gotta pick and choose it. It's going. We're almost made it to where we get stuck.
Bang the ditch.
Yeah, I'll remember this one. It's kind of fun.
Yeah, dude.
Love it.
I love this adventure.
Yeah, it's hard to steer when you get on concrete.
Now your ice scratchers are all fucking.
Oh, God. Ah. Got to pull them up. Rob the ditch banger. Maybe this way doesn't go. Yay!
Good morning, everybody. It is the last day of tailgate. It officially ends today, so I'm gonna pack up and start heading home. I probably sound really tired because I am. It has been so awesome. Every single day out here has been blue almost, and I just had one down day, so I am completely exhausted in the best way, and we're packing up and heading home. Let's get it going here.
And that was incredible. That was such a good tailgate. The weather was great the whole freaking time, which almost never happens. Only had one down day. I am completely exhausted and just my tank's full right now. Feeling good. Anyway, guys, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this whole tailgate video series, and I'll be out here again next end of March, early April, doing it again. So if you enjoyed the video, smash the like button down there and subscribe to the channel if you want to continue seeing this kind of content, and we'll see you next time. Peace, y'all.